do you share or create like a mission statement or a vision statement and share it?
Yeah, I did. Actually, that was one of the first things I really enjoyed doing. And it's funny, go back to business plans, right? When that business plan has been created, it's not nothing. It's just kind of an ideal, right? You're not really doing anything. But after you spend time building into a business, investing money, you got your skin in the game, and you go and you write that mission plan, it hits a little bit different, you know, because you really start to be focusing on like, how do I want to be a breath of fresh air in this structure of business, right, or whatever this is, right? How do I want to separate myself from people? How do I want to be in a position where I don't have to worry about competition? You know, how do I want things to feel when employees work for me and they're talking to me? How I want things to feel and look,
Mm.
you know, and that really comes back to your business kind of being you and you speaking from that place.
And see, that's